Hello and welcome to week three of English 112 Online, Johnson Community College, fall semester 2018. Yes, we are up and running. We are going. Here we go with this. All right, so last week we learned about basically what to do as far as picking an argument, and we had a chance to look at some things on procon.org as far as trying to figure out which topics you as a student wanted to look at. You should have picked 3 topics as far as the things you wanted to look at. That was all last week. So this week, what we're doing is we are learning APA formatting. So a lot of you probably know MLA formatting. Yes, APA formatting is something completely different. Not really. It's pretty similar. APA formatting is, it's a thing that we get to teach in this class. Depending on which your field, you may write an MLA formatting or APA formatting. APA stands for the American Psychology Association. So if you do social sciences, if that's your field, you'll probably write papers in APA moving forward. If you're in the humanities, like English or history, you write in MLA formatting. But it's important that you learn both just because why not? So everything we're going to be doing in this class is APA style. And there's a lot of resources here to help you. First, in that Norton Field Guide, which again, for those who missed last week, you should have missed last week. This is it, the Norton Field Guide. This is the book you need to have. Inside this book, there is information that will help you. Pages 549 through 557 help you with APA style. In addition, what I've done is over here on this side is video tutorials. Let's take a look. Woo! Okay, so I have created several videos that will help you with APA formatting. So there's title page, in-text citations. These are the hows. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to show you kind of what you need to do. This will show you how to do it. Okay, so how do you physically format something in APA? These are the forms that you're going to look at. They're kind of walkthrough guides. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so let's go back to week 3. So between these videos here and this stuff right here, you will have all the information you need to take this quiz, the APA quiz. Again, you can take this quiz up to 2 times. Highest score counts. There is no time limit on this. But again, you have to take it all in one sitting. So you pop up the quiz. You look through this, read this first. Kind of get a hang of it. Pop up the quiz, find a question, say, oh, what's the answer to that? Again, the quizzes are designed to help you reinforce the concepts that you need to learn for this class. Just gonna kind of get on my soapbox over here for a second. Soapbox. I really can't draw anything. But okay, who cares? Who cares about APA formatting? What are the chances of you ever using this ever again? Well, depending on what you do, you may never use APA ever again. Okay, so why are you teaching it? Why are you making us do this? And why are you going to be so picky about it? Because there is a greater life skill that we're learning by practicing APA style. One thing you will do, and a lot of you are working, so you understand this, when you get a job, or when you're doing your taxes, or any number of things, there's a very certain way that you need to do it. And if you don't do it exactly the way you're supposed to, then if your job, you may lose your job. If you screw up in your taxes, you don't do it exactly the way you should be, you can actually get in trouble with the IRS. Sometimes you need to learn how to follow directions and do something exactly the way that it needs to be done. That is why we are focusing on practicing APA style. Not that the APA style is so important, but rather, look, this is exactly how you do it, and you need to do it this way, and you need to pay attention to the details. Okay, that's my soapbox. So yes, I am a big stickler on APA style because that is a life skill that is transferable to other things you're going to be doing. Okay, so there's the quiz on APA. Now, we also get to do a research log. Woo, right here. This one's not too bad. I'm missing a letter there. I should say in your research log. I'll fix that. Okay, so last week you looked at 3 different topics that you wanted to study. And now that you've had a chance to write about them and think about them, you're going to tell me which order you prefer. So let's say you looked at the 3 things we looked at were medical marijuana, euthanasia, and exceptions for abortion. So let's say those are the 3 topics that you looked at. Okay, you're going to tell me in this research log, okay, which order you prefer. So this person said, well, their first choice is medical marijuana. The next one would be euthanasia, and then their third choice would be exceptions for abortions. Okay, so again, they kind of got these ideas by going to procon.org, and they found 3 different topics. Last week they wrote about a paragraph for each one, why it's important to them, and such. Okay, now, here's something I need to be very clear on. Medical marijuana, an extremely popular topic. Again, for this class, only one student gets to do one topic. So we can't have 5 people writing about medical marijuana. That's not what we're doing for this class. All right, so if you really have a topic you want to choose, and you really want your first choice, then you need to make sure you pick something that's a little more, I don't know, out there. Okay, something that is not as, overly popular, I guess. Because every semester I have 3 or 4 people pick medical marijuana as their first choice. Well, only one person gets that, so then I flip a coin, find out who gets that one, and then I go to the second choices, and so on. Okay? Now, you can choose that and hope your luck holds out, but just saying, that is a thing. Okay, so basically all you do for this research blog is you just go and you say, my first choice, my second choice, my third choice. That's it. Okay? And again, the goal is to have not any one topic done by 2 people. So once you've posted this, then I will figure out who will do which topic based on what everyone submitted. And, if there was a tie, then I just literally flip a coin on who gets what. Okay. So again, for Research Log 3, you click up there. And if you haven't got this done already, you click Write Submission. Right! This is the right thing to do. Okay, that's a bad pun. Write Submission. Write it in there. Okay? Or you can attach a file episode of the zoo. Hey, can I put it in the comments? No! Don't put it in the comments. Put it up here in the Write Submission. Okay, have I beat that to death? I certainly hope so. Okay, so that is week 3 for English 112. So again, APA formatting, we're learning on that. We have some videos under the video tutorials, and there's the resources from your textbook that'll help you with that, which we'll be quizzed on. And then your research log is again moving us forward with the topics that we're doing this semester. Okay, so that's it for week 3. So go ahead and get to work. Bye.